GCSE Biology, Developing Drugs, SMARTPATHTUTORING. There are three main stages in drug testing. Stage 1. In preclinical testing, drugs are tested on human cells and tissues in the lab. However, you can't use human cells and tissues to test drugs that affect whole or multiple body systems. For example, testing a drug for blood pressure must be done on a whole animal because it has an intact circulatory system. Stage 2. The next step in preclinical testing is to test the drug on live animals. This is to test efficacy, whether the drug works and produces the effect you're looking for, to find out about its toxicity, however harmful it is, and to find the best dosage, the concentration that should be given, and how often it should be given. The law in Britain states that any new drug must be tested on 2 different live mammals. Some people think it's cruel to test on animals, but others believe this is the safest way to make sure a drug isn't dangerous before it's given to humans. Stage 3. If the drug passes the test on animals, then it's tested on human volunteers in a clinical trial. First, the drug is tested on healthy volunteers. This is to make sure that it doesn't have any harmful side effects when the body is working normally. At the start of the trial, a very low dose of the drug is given, and this is gradually increased. If the results of the tests on healthy volunteers are good, the drugs can be tested on people suffering from the illness. The optimum dose is found. This is the dose of drug that is the most effective and has few side effects. To test how well the drug works, patients are randomly put into 2 groups. One is given the new drug, the other is given a placebo, a substance that's like the drug being tested but doesn't do anything. This is so the doctor can see the actual difference the drug makes. It allows for the placebo effect, when the patient expects the treatment to work and so feels better, even though the treatment isn't doing anything. Clinical trials are blind. The patient in the study doesn't know whether they're getting the drug or the placebo. In fact, they're often double-blind. Neither the patient nor the doctor knows until the results are being gathered. This is so the doctors monitoring the patients are analysing the results aren't subconsciously influenced by their knowledge. The results of drug testing and drug trials aren't published until they've been through peer review. This helps to prevent false claims. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.